Mushroom chicken stir fry. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 pound of chicken breasts, boneless and skinless, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 8 ounces of crimini mushrooms, sliced, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 zucchini, cut lengthwise and then into half-inch slices, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of ginger, minced, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, sesame seeds for garnishing, optional. Directions: cut your chicken into bite-sized thin slices. Toss it with the cornstarch. Heat the sesame and canola oil in your pan. Add the chicken. Cook each side for 2 minutes on medium heat. It should turn brown. Take out the chicken from your pan. Increase the heat to high. Now, add the zucchini and mushrooms. Cook until you see them turning brown. Add the ginger and garlic. Cook for 30 seconds. Keep cooking for 3 more minutes. The veggies should become soft slightly. Add your chicken back. Coat well by stirring. Add the rice wine vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce. Coat well. Serve your mushroom chicken with rice.